Hi everyone, welcome back to Happee Knits. This is a special mini episode dedicated to all things Kwanzaa. So last year I was able to participate in Kwanzaa in the sense that I got two boxes from two African American dyers, Tara with Mitchell's Creations and then Carol with Chicken Coop Dye Works, and they also did one again this year. So I want to show you what day one was for those colorways. But before that, I want to just give you guys a little bit of history about Kwanzaa. For me, being African American, I did not grow up celebrating Kwanzaa, but now as I am an adult, I understand the principles behind Kwanzaa and what they mean and the history behind how Kwanzaa was created. And so I think that's something that is super special for not just the African American community, but all communities. So I just wanted to come on and kind of give you guys a little bit of background. So I'm going to tell you real quick. Kwanzaa was created by, I'm going to read a little bit of it, by Dr. Malani Karenga in 1966 during the Watt riots. And it was specifically a way for him to give back to the Black community and not basically adopt the social mainstream of Christmas. Kwanzaa is not a religious holiday, so I just want to put that out there. It's not a religious holiday. It's more about celebrating the culture of being African American. And so the word Kwanzaa comes from the Swahili word first fruits. So each day, so Kwanzaa runs from December the 26th through January the 1st, and each day there is a topic that is celebrated. So there's a candle and in each day you light a candle to celebrate each one of those days. So those 7 days of Kwanzaa are going to be Umoja, which is day 1, Kujichagulia, which is day 2, day 3 is Ujima, day 4 is Ujama, day 5 is Nia, day 6 is Kumba, and day 7 is Imani or Imani. Now, I may have mispronounced some of those words, but I highly encourage you guys to go out and read about the history of Kwanzaa and what it means. So without further ado, I want to show you guys the kit that I got from Carol from Chicken Coop Dye Works and also from Tara from Mitchell's Creations. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about the Chicken Coop Dye Works Kwanzaa kit, please head over to Purl Together podcast on YouTube with Jana. She's been around for a little while, and I'm going to link her information down below so you guys can check out where Carol got the inspiration from, etc. So I'm going to start with Carol's kit. Carol's kit is massive. Okay, it came in this great gray box, and as you can see, it is full of yarny goodness. So if you are thinking about buying some yarn next year toward the end of the year, I highly encourage you guys to check out these two dyers because their Kwanzaa kits are amazing. And Carol's Kwanzaa kits come with full skeins, over 2,500 yards of yarn basically. So, and Tara's kit is minis. So anyway, with that being said, I'm going to show you real briefly what she has for day 1, but also some of the goodies that she has in the kit. So the first one is she's offering 2 patterns in her kit. And one of them is a crochet pattern here. And one of them is a knitted pattern by Amba O'Brien. And it is her Oriana shawl. So with the particular kits that she has, they are creating a cal that you can start entering from today, December the 26th, and you can finish, you have until February the 28th to finish this beautiful shawl. And when I tell you how beautiful it is and how big it is, so if you go to Purl Together, you will get a little glimpse of what the shawl looks like, and also you get to an interview with Amba, who is the designer behind this. So anyway, she included codes to get these 2 patterns. And she also included in her kit this beautiful bag, which I'm telling you, I absolutely love. Look at the beauty of this bag. And the fact that it has chickens on it is amazing. And it's got this little cute little drawstring clip that pulls up so you can tighten the bag where you want it. So that also came in the kit. And she also had a bunch of cute little crafty things as well in these little sachet bags. So the first one is some knitwear custom jewelry by Audrey Wilcox. And it's one of those that I think you can put on knitwear and you screw it on with the nail head. It's leather and it looks amazing. So there's that. And then she also included just a random bunch of little cute little stitch markers, progress keepers. And I don't want to take too much time because I want to show you what day one is, but there's cute little progress keepers. And also she has in here this cute little, I think it's a gnome. And she also included some lanolin for you guys. Well, for us anyway, not you guys, for me and anybody. And of course, these, you can never have too many of these row counters. Never, 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 never. And then of course, a cute little tape measure. And these are also things that you can't have because for some reason, I'm always losing mine and I don't even know why. But these here, these charms, I'm going to show these to you. These charms are extra, extra cute. They are little lipstick. They are a purse. They have little high heel shoes. Just the cutest stitch markers, or not stitch markers. Actually, they are, yeah, they are probably stitch markers. They are adorable. So anyway, that is what came in the kit along with her. She normally puts these in her bags when you buy her yarn to make sure that none of the bugs get to your yarn. But anyway, I just love Carol. I've met her several times and she has a very sweet disposition. So you guys check out her shop and definitely support local businesses, especially during this time of year when so many businesses are struggling or going out of business due to, you know, the situation that we have right now with the pandemic, etc. So I encourage you, and it's funny because I did not buy any yarn this year, and you guys know that, but I waited till the end of the year to make my mark. So yes. And the other thing about Carol's kit is that she does these quarterly kits, and the theme this year was Aretha Franklin. So she wanted to end the year with one of her most popular songs called Respect. So each one of these each one of these yarns for Kwanzaa spell out the word respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. So day one is the R. Okay, so I want to show you what day one is. Day one is Umoja, and it is the unity of family, community, nation, and race. So day one is going to be oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this colorway. Look at this colorway. It is called Sunspots and Solar Flares. It is on her Little Feathers base, and it's a fingering weight yarn, 70% superwash merino, 30% silk high twist, and it's a single ply, 438 yards. Is that not gorgeous? This is just, I'm so excited about the rest of the days. I don't even know what to tell you, because if this is an indication of what I have to expect for the next 6 days, I am over the moon. So thank you, Carol, for creating a wonderful, wonderful Kwanzaa calendar. It's beautiful, and of course I will be definitely participating again next year. So with that being said, let's move on to my friend Tara. I have been buying from Tara for just as long as I have Chicken Coop Dye Works, and last year was my first year with buying the Kwanzaa calendar from her as well. She does minis. You can never have too many minis as well. So with her kit, it comes like this. And each mini is packaged in these cute little brown craft bags. And so let's see what she has put in her kit. Okay, so it looks like we have a beautiful mask, which who doesn't need those, right, at the time that we're in currently. And I love that they have adjustable ear pieces, because you know, sometimes when you have a mask it just doesn't fit right, and when you take the time to make these adjustable cords, it just really is something special and makes it more of a comfort fit. So thank you, Tara, for including that in this one that I don't have to make. And probably one that Alexis will definitely try to steal. And then next, let's see what else she has in here, because I made sure that I did not go through these before we did the podcast, because I wanted to be surprised just like you. And Tara is from New Orleans area, or Louisiana, and she has given these sugar fixed pralines. And I gotta tell you, my twin sister is a huge pralines fan. And so I gave her this last year out of the kit. So not sure I'm doing that this year, but we'll see. If she begs me for it, I think I might let her have it. And then let's see what she has in the way of goodies for her bag. A pair of scissors, the kind that are safety, so you definitely don't have to worry about cutting yourself. I love that. And then she has some lavender in here, which is awesome. And then she has a tape measure. And between these two kits, the fact that I've got 2 tape measures is fantastic. So then let's see what else she has in here. We have another little goodie bag, it looks like. Okay, which is the same. I think I might have gotten an extra one. I'm not sure, but I'm taking it. This one is lemon. It's essential oils. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You dilute 1 drop with, you know what, I need my glasses, and you apply it to the areas needed. Diffuse for up to 1 to 3 hours. So, gosh, thank you, Tara. I appreciate it. That will work with my diffuser. And let's see, is there anything else in here before we go to day 1? There is. This package is probably the last package, because it feels like maybe it's a full skein of yarn, so we're not going to open that one. So let's start with day 1, shall we? Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. I honestly have not bought any advent calendars. I usually save my coins for Kwanzaa, and I gotta tell you, I'm always happy to support local businesses, and these 2 are special to me because they were some of the first independent dyers that I bought from. And this is in her lanyard sock base, and of course it's 75% superwash merino, and it is 92 yards, of course 20 grams, and it's for the day 1 umoja, and it is black. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? So, yes, I am very, very excited about opening the rest of these each day. So tomorrow through January 1st will be just a shorter episode, and I'll just be showcasing each yarn for a few seconds so you can see what each day is that I'm getting. But I just wanted to come on and just kind of highlight Kwanzaa for those who are not familiar with the holiday and what it means and how you guys can help celebrate it. Like I said, no matter what religion, no matter what color, no matter what you are, you can always embrace the 7 principles of Kwanzaa and incorporate those into your daily life. So until tomorrow, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.